Hey everybody, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a couple of clear jelly stamper products for you. The first will be this beautiful, gorgeous Taste of France stamping plate. Look at that. It has everything on it. It's got flowers, it's got fashion, it's got food and wine. It has French phrases. I'm going to give you a little peel porn here. There you go. I love peeling the plastic off of a new plate. It's so shiny, it's so pristine, it's so beautiful. I love them. Mine came with a few scratches on them, and fortunately it's not in any of the areas that would transfer into my design. Having said that, you take a look at it. I'm going to do a couple of stamps on camera, the rest of them not on camera, and at the end I'll be reviewing their no smear top coat. So I have some nail pops there that I prepped beforehand, and this is the top coat. I cannot wait to try that. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with this trench coat here. You know, a lot of the clear jelly stamper, of course, I'm sure you guys know, their plates are layered plates. So there are several images that go together. It does take practice to get them like just right. I am not there yet, so I have not stamped any of these images prior to what I'm doing here for you today. So you'll see that my stamps are not exactly on point, not exactly where they should be, but they're close enough, and you get the idea. So if you do decide to get this plate, you, number one, won't be disappointed with the pickup or the transfer, because it's beautiful. It's well etched. The images come up beautifully. My camera was shaky today. I don't know why it's shaky like that. I apologize for that. I was filming with the window open because we had some nice weather where I live, and the little breeze was coming through, so I guess maybe it was shaking my camera. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. That's one completed. Beautiful, right? I love their plates. I love their plates. I really do. So next I'll be stamping the flower image, and I think that's roses. Now for this one, I had a problem with the white stamping polish that I used. It is a bit old and it didn't want to transfer, so you'll see that when I go to put that on to the nail pop. What I'm doing here is just removing the areas that I don't want with some tape. You can use your finger, you can use your stamping card, whatever you have handy that will take that polish off that you don't want. And here I am with my bad stamping polish. I'm gonna have to get rid of it because it just won't transfer. It's old, I've shaken it, I've stirred it, and it just does not want to transfer. So I apologize for this one not being as complete as the others, but it serves the purpose because what I'm doing intentionally is using colors that always smear and that are hard to top coat when you use them for your nail art. And red and white is definitely one that's hard to get no smearing on. Black and white is another that is, when you don't get a smear on your black and white design, you like want to jump up and down and take pictures of it and share it with everybody because it's like, look, it didn't smear. So it is a big deal. To me especially, I hate when I work hard on a nail art and then it smears. It's like the worst. So anyway, getting back to the images at hand, I'm going to be stamping this cute purse. Now, who doesn't love a cute bag, right? Purses and shoes, come on, let's be real. They are great. We love them. And the fact that I get to stamp some on my nails is even better. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's really nice. This one came out nice. I was proud of it. So the last thing I'll stamp here is the chain for the purse. And I did that last on purpose so I could try to position it exactly where it needed to be and then not worry about stamping the outline image on top of it. I think I did okay. You guys can leave me a comment down below once this video completes and tell me how you think I did. I didn't think I did too badly. I definitely need more practice on some of the other things. I'm not going to stamp everything because this video would have been like an hour and a half long. So I'll just do maybe one or two more, and this is going to be the shoes. You know, if you buy a new purse, you gotta have shoes to match, right? So I'll be putting the shoe down below the purse. I'm gonna have, again, all of the products listed in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just wanted to say I purchased all of these products. So I am going to give you my absolute 100% honest opinion of the performance of these products. But I have to say, I am a fan of Clear Jelly Stamper. I like their things. I really do. Love the plates. Excuse me. So now I'm just going to stamp the little button on the shoe that matches the chain of the purse. How très chic is that? So cute. I love it. Really, really pretty. Oh, I did do one more. Okay, so I'm again going to go with colors that I know run and smear. So this one is red and white. And especially when you have white lettering on a red or a black background, you are going to have a hard time not getting it to smear. And you know, I've done the trick with the fast drying top coat of putting it very thick on the nail or using a lot of it so that the brush doesn't touch the design. I do that and I get that, and I've done it all the time. And then what I've noticed happens is if you have a lot of that product on your nail and you point your fingers downward, I don't know any other way to say it, that it will run. And if that top coat runs just a little bit, you're going to have smearing. Okay, here comes the good part. Here we go. Now, I'm going to start at the beginning with the red and white, and you know that black outline around the heart I'm especially paying attention to. Now, you see me pushing down on this brush, right? This is the Smear Not Smudge Resistant Top Coat from Clear Jelly Stamper, and that's incredible. Not a smear, not a smudge. I was very, very impressed with this, I have to tell you. I did notice that it has no odor, so I'm inclined to think that it may be a water-based product. It had a slight smell, but it was not anything near like the regular glossy top coats or fast drying top coats. And again, I am pushing down on that brush. I have the brush on the polish on the nail itself, and no smearing. I was shocked. I was really, really surprised, pleasantly so. So here we go again. We're going to take another one. That was a weird long pause. I don't know why I had that pause in there for picking up something else. I must have been doing something. And look, pushing down, I'm pushing right on it. Now, since I noticed that it didn't have any odor, it made me think of the water-based peel-off base coat. So what I did was I decided kind of at the last minute to, excuse me, get the base coat and try it out on a few of these nails as well, just for a comparison to see if that doesn't cause it to smear either. See, this is one that I did with a croissant and a little glass of wine, and that croissant, because of the colors I chose, looks like intestines to me, so I'm gonna have to, if I choose to use that, I'm gonna have to change that color for sure. This is the rose, see, the red and white, not a smear on it. Now the final four, the one with the shoes, I'm going to use the peel off base coat as the top coat, because it too is a water-based product. And look, no smear. No smear. I didn't know it didn't do that. I can't believe I didn't know that. Or maybe I did, way in the back of my mind, and just maybe didn't use it because it didn't have the shine that you get from the fast drying top coat. I love them. So here's another one, black and white. Look, black and white is a definite smear. There is no doubt about it that it's going to smear. And that cute little poodle did not smear at all. Love it. Here's my coat, and you'll see some black polish on that pop. That was from the top coat. When I top coated the black nail first, and then I went right on and top coated the white nail, and you see that polish transferred. And that's another thing that you don't want to happen. So now I'm just putting on the final touches of that peel off base coat, and now we're going to take a look at it. It's dried. The one thing I will tell you is that this product does not dry quickly. The Smear Not is a regular top coat. It does not dry quickly, but you can see compared to the UNT that it has spectacular shine. I love it. I really do. I'm very pleased with this product. I would have no problems telling you, you know, or advising you, or saying to you, you know, it would be money well spent. It's not expensive, in my opinion. It's under $10, and it's for a 10 ml bottle. The other products are more expensive than that. Look at that shine. It's really beautiful. I'm really impressed. This one is with the UNT, and again, it's not smeared at all, but it doesn't have the shine. So you would have to put a top coat, a shiny top coat, on top of the product done with the peel off base coat. If you already have those products, do you need to purchase this product? No, you don't, because you can get the same exact result with that. But to save yourself an extra step, look at, it's just incredible to me. I was really blown away, really impressed with it. So I would have, like I said, no qualms in advising you or telling you that this is a good product that you would not waste your money on. I really was impressed with it. If you guys have any thoughts or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know again what you think. Let me know if you would be willing, or if you would purchase this product, or maybe you already have the other product at home. Let's have a conversation. Tell me what you think about it, and about the designs on the plate too. I thought they were just beautiful. Again, this is unsolicited. All these products were purchased by me. This is my opinion. What I'm going to do now is just top coat one of those water-based base coat, the peel off base coat nail with the fast drying top coat, just so you can see the shine that you can get from it. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. I know it was a long one, so thanks for sitting through it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.